The all-new 2026 Bugatti Brouillard makes its debut as a one-off hypercar that pushes the boundaries of bespoke automotive design. Created under Bugatti's newly established Programme Solitaire, it signals a return to the golden age of coach building, where each vehicle was a unique expression of art, engineering, and luxury. This model is more than just transportation. It's a rolling sculpture infused with the brand's heritage and forward-thinking vision. Its name, Brouillard, is a nod to Ettore Bugatti's favorite horse, renowned for its elegance, intelligence, and spirit. That inspiration flows through the car's design, with sweeping, muscular curves that evoke a sense of power in motion, even at a standstill. The car seems to lean forward like a thoroughbred about to charge, blending grace with an unmistakable presence. Under the sculpted carbon fiber and aluminum body lies the legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing an extraordinary 1,600 PS and immense torque. The Brouillard is more than a farewell to the W16. It is a bridge between eras. It closes the chapter on Bugatti's most iconic engine while opening the door to an age of hypercars defined by personalization, artistic expression, and new forms of propulsion. It stands as proof that the automobile can still be a work of art in an increasingly digitized and homogenized world. In the end, the 2026 Bugatti Brouillard is both a statement and a promise. A statement that true luxury lies in individuality, craftsmanship, and heritage. A promise that as Bugatti moves into the future, it will carry forward the spirit of innovation, artistry, and passion that has defined its past. It's not just a hypercar, it's a final love letter to the W16 era, sealed with speed and sculpted in beauty. Inside, the cabin is a masterclass in personalization and craftsmanship. Green-tinted carbon fiber contrasts with rich Parisian tartan fabrics, while intricate horse motifs are subtly integrated into the upholstery and trim. A jewel-like gear selector houses a miniature sculpture of Brouillard the horse, reinforcing the connection between inspiration and execution. Programme Solitaire aims to create no more than 2 such cars per year, each completely tailored to its owner. This extreme exclusivity elevates the Brouillard beyond even Bugatti's already rare offerings, turning it into an unattainable dream for all but the world's most discerning and fortunate collectors. Though Bugatti has not disclosed a price, expectations place it among the most expensive cars ever built. Its value is not only in its materials and performance, but in its singularity. A car like this will never be made again in exactly the same form, making it a future legend before it even turns a wheel. This is the swan song for Bugatti's W16, delivering the final and most refined evolution of an engine that has defined hypercar performance for over 2 decades. It's as much a mechanical masterpiece as it is a piece of history. The Brouillard's bodywork is entirely bespoke, with no shared exterior panels from other models. While it draws inspiration from the Bugatti Mistral, it evolves into a fixed-roof coupe with a dramatic glass canopy and a sculpted ducktail rear. Every line serves both aesthetic and aerodynamic purposes, ensuring that beauty and performance exist in perfect harmony. Signature Bugatti design elements, like the horseshoe grille and pronounced central spine, are reinterpreted in a fresh way. The proportions, stance, and detailing feel purposeful, yet the artistic flourishes are unmistakable. This is a car that could sit comfortably in a museum as easily as it could dominate a high-speed straightaway.